Hello everyone, today I will show you how to download all emails from Gmail. And here's how it is done. Open a web browser. Go to takeout.google.com. Sign in to the correct Google account. Make sure you are logged in into the account with the emails you want to download. Deselect everything. Click Deselect All to start fresh. Scroll down and select Mail. This ensures only your Gmail data will be exported. Click All Mail Data Included. You can customize what to include or leave it as is to export everything. Scroll down and click Next tab. Choose Delivery Method. Send a download link via email or transfer to Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Select file type and size. That zip is recommended. Choose your preferred file size, example 2 GB, 4 GB. Click Create Export. Google will begin preparing your data. It may take minutes or hours depending on the size. Download your emails. Once it is ready, you'll get an email with a download link to save your archive. And that is everything you need to know about how to download all emails from Gmail. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.